The power of possibility. Mastering modal verbs. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of English. Today we're going to delve into a significant part of the English language, modal verbs, specifically focusing on expressing possibility. Modal verbs can truly elevate your English speaking and writing, giving you the ability to describe various scenarios with precision and flair. So, buckle up and get ready for a whirlwind ride into the world of English modal verbs. Modal verbs are special kinds of verbs that change the meaning of a sentence in a specific way. They can help us talk about ability, necessity, advice, permission, prediction, and of course, possibility, among other things. Today, our primary focus will be on modal verbs that express possibility. The primary ones we'll be focusing on are could, may, might, can, and should. The modal verb, could, is often used to express a general possibility. It suggests an action or event that is possible, but not certain. For example, it could rain later today. She could be at the library. In both of these sentences, the action is possible, but it's not sure if it will happen. When we talk about a possibility that we think is more likely to happen, we usually use may or might. These verbs are interchangeable in most cases. For example, I may go to the concert tonight. She might join us for dinner. Here, these actions are more likely to happen but still not certain. While can is mostly used to express ability, it can also denote possibility, particularly when discussing general truths or scientific facts. For example, snakes can be venomous. You can see the stars from here on a clear night. Finally, should can express a likely possibility, especially when we expect something to happen. For example, he should be home by 7 o'clock. The package should arrive tomorrow. In both cases, we expect the event to occur unless something unexpected happens. Remember, the best way to learn is by practicing. Here are a few exercises. 1. Complete the sentences using a suitable modal verb to express possibility. 2. You, blank, find the book in the library. 3. It, blank, snow tonight. 4. They, blank, arrive any moment now. 5. Create your own sentences using each of the modal verbs discussed in this lesson. And that's a wrap on our exploration of modal verbs expressing possibility. We hope this journey was enlightening and helped clarify how to use could, may, might, can, and should to express various degrees of possibility. Remember, practice is key. Use these modal verbs as often as you can in your daily conversations and writings, and soon they'll become second nature. Keep practicing, and we'll see you on our next language adventure.